Get ready for a property makeover that turns for rent into must rent. Welcome to Under Pressure Rental Property Remodeling, where we transform spaces into irresistible dwellings. Let's dive into the world of rental property magic. We're not just about hammers and nails, we're part of the local real estate investment community. Regularly attending meetings by Mari, investors, KC house traders, and other key groups, we stay in the loop to better serve your investment goals. Got a vision? Our estimation and planning team is here to bring it to life. Whether it's fixtures, finishes, or your own materials list, we're all about making your choices a reality. For rental properties, we've got you covered. Timely project completion and the ability to give each unit a uniform look or a unique flair. The choice is yours. Thinking about selling quickly? We specialize in flips, addressing structural issues, cosmetic updates, and even final staging. Let's put your flip project in the sold category. But our job doesn't end with remodeling. Our in-house maintenance division ensures that no task is too big or small. Skilled technicians, prompt service, and a commitment to keeping your investment in top shape. Ready to skyrocket your rental property's appeal? Contact us today and let's bring your vision to life. Dial 913-274-9555. Because at Under Pressure Property Services, Inc., we make renting extraordinary.